Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the Keygen, the second part, I guess, to yesterday's challenge. This is a binary file. This was really hard for me. I've never done anything like this. I mean, I've seen videos, but yeah, it was tough. A lot of googling and stuff. This is in the key, by the way. A lot of googling and stuff. But yeah, I'm kind of tired. But let's get through this. Okay. So first things first is I got the file and I uploaded it to Keygenme. I think that's how you say it. I mentioned this in the last one, and I looked at the functions, right, trying to look anything that looks useful. So the first thing I saw was, I think, this one here. Where's it? There we go. Oh, actually, let me just show you something real quick. So if I were to try and run that file, enter your license, I can put whatever I want, keys invalid. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. I don't know if I can make this any bigger. Let me see, window, configure, no. Okay, if I can't make this a little bigger, then you're just gonna have to, like, trust me on this. Search tools, window. It would have to be like window, I would think. Ugh. Page, no. Well, oh, I have an idea. Let's do this. Oops. I'm just gonna paste this into Notepad. Why isn't it? Are you serious? Oh, I think I'm copying this. Yeah. Whatever. Just take my word for it. So here you can see it's asking for the key. It gets that input. It has it looks like buffer overflow, like protections. I'm not too familiar with it. And then it runs this other function over here, and then it gets that a result from that function. And if it's I guess 0 or null, then it returns that error. Otherwise, it tells the key is valid. So basically, from this, I know that from the code, I have to pull the flag. It's not like the other one where I can just print it out. Also, by the way, if you guys are familiar with Keygenme, it's a very useful tool, I think developed by NSA or CIA, one of those government agencies that was leaked, and helps you, I guess, view the assembly and code from a file, you know, like those executables and stuff. This is kind of how people analyze like those malicious softwares and stuff, and also are able to make cheats and all that cool stuff. So let's check out that other file. Here they're defining a ton of variables. I'm very sorry if this is super tiny. Yeah, okay, whatever. So we have a ton of variables, and let's see. Okay, so after doing some looking, we see that how it actually works is it first checks the length to make sure that it is 36 characters long. If it is, then it compares the input with every character in the variable AC stack 56. If there's one character that's wrong, it returns 0. Otherwise, it returns 1, which is what we want. And this mess right here, actually all of this, is it actually putting together that character array. So from here, we can actually get a few characters. Here we have PicoCTF, curly brace, bring bring your own key, and then this right here, no, I'm sorry. This right here brings that together into the variable, and then this for the first, I think, math, the first 26 characters, and then the remaining characters are from here. So it's getting this local variable. So I can't really just pull that. At least I don't know how to do that here. So the next thing to do was GBD, which is a debugger. And you can put like breakpoints and stuff, and yeah, it's cool stuff. And I guess you could also view the stack, which is what we're gonna want to be doing here. GBD. Why isn't that working? Do I not have that installed? I literally was playing with it. GDB? Oh, GDB. My bad. All right, so GDB, that. So let me point out another thing real quick. So if I were to check the type of file this says, it tells us that it's stripped, meaning, well, I don't exactly know entirely what that means, but it kind of strips, for lack of a better word, strips out the function names and stuff. So it's, I guess, a little harder to analyze and stuff. But I was watching, what's that dude's name? I think it's Overflow. If you guys are into cybersecurity, you know what I'm talking about. Something Overflow, something like that. And he actually put out a nice little tip where if it's stripped like this, you can put libc start main. I think I did that right. Libc start main. Let's hope so. So now if I run that, I can get the main address, the address to the main here, and add another breakpoint. If you're curious how that works, I guess I could put that in the description. So let me put a new break for that main address so I can see the main. And then now let me look at the assembly. So this layout ASM lets me see it, the assembly as I go. And it kind of helps to have this open side by side with Keygenme. So let me see what I'm looking for. Have I not reached my, I don't think I'm at my where I need to be. Okay, cool. So are we in main now? Yes, we are in main. You can see the fgets, the prints. So what we want to get now is, now that we're in main, is we want to go to this function here. So it's after the gets, and I guess before this compare. So fgets, and there's a call to a function here. So another breakpoint, and let's go over there. Did I do this wrong? No. Okay, so it sent me to the function, I believe. I hope so. Fgets print. Where am I? String length. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we are in another function. How I can tell is because we have this string length. Because if you're able to see this at all, you would remember that it checks the length of of our input, which is right here. So in theory, if I were to, I guess, somewhere jump, put a breakpoint somewhere over here, this would be on the stack and I would be able to view it, right? So where should I jump? Okay, so this is where I got a little stuck on, so I might need to pause it soon. So let me just jump. Wait, is there two compares? String length. What'd I do? I don't know what I did. Hold on. Because what is going on? I think I'm jumping to the functions. Okay, so the problem I'm having right now is there's one here and there's another one here. So I'm not sure which one I exactly want. So let me make sure that there's only... Okay, there's a string length here. String length here. So that's 1, 2... Looks like it's the third one. So that's 1, 2, scroll down, string length, and there is a compare to 0x24, which is this over here. Perfect. Okay, cool. So let me copy this address. Let's go over there, and it looks like it's storing it into RBP. We can also see that here in Keygenme, RBP. So I think if I just do this, RBP, I should see it. Let me see the registers, maybe. Cool. No register values. Am I at the right breakpoint? Breakpoint 4. What happens if I do to that? Okay, it exits. Let me try that again. I think we're at breakpoint 4, right? So continue. Okay, so 414. We are right here. So yeah, I told you it was gonna get a little messy. Compare 24. I probably should have maybe gone one up. What is going on? Wait, what? Why are we doing that? So I'm right here. Let's go into that, and then RDI to REX. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a quick second and we'll be back. Alright, after some Googling, intense Googling, I ran onto this page. Yeah, I'll put this in the description as well. This was the video I was talking about earlier, by the way, about the stripped binary. Anyway, not the point. So this got me thinking. Okay, so here, we're right here, right? We're at the call part. So this, we want to see, hopefully I'm using the correct words, the stack for register RBP, right? So right now, okay, so like it added all those characters up here, but right now we're right here. So if I were to view the stack right now, that's why I'm getting all that, like what was it, RBP? That's why I'm getting that, because that's what's on the stack currently at where I'm at. So if I want to see what's there like previously, okay, good, I was scared I wasn't recording. So if I want to see what was there previously, I would need to like go back a few, like hexadecimal, right? So what if I haven't even tested this yet. What if I did RBP minus, say, I think 40, because that's what, oops, that's what, that's how long it is. Yeah, it's 40. Or at least that's our input, actually. Let me check. Yeah, it's 40. So what if I were to go back 40? It should fit in there. If not, I might would have to go like maybe a little bit more. And there you go. Oh, PicoCTF, bring your own key, and then that. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Will I do this again? I have no idea. That was very, very difficult for me, and I spent all day on it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, learned something new. If you have any questions, comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and peace out.